15 villages in Block 2 of Mauhati constituency, including 8 specifically identified, will soon benefit from new development projects focused on school construction, funded by the Chief Minister's Development Fund. Each school project has an allocated budget of Rs 64 lakhs. The villages set to receive this assistance: Umsdair, Padang Klet, Ummat 1, Ummat 2, Umlaper, Umhi, Sabuda, and Kle Umwang currently lack dedicated school buildings. Additionally, financial assistance of 50,000 rupees will be provided annually by MLA MDC Charles Marngar to support teacher salaries in these 8 villages.
Kapag kung saan kapag keren kalompa, kibril jongi kibersong hungi, kin shong so shongsan. Kata kene kejing keren. Kejing pun baik buat sam kadang ya, dene. Kadang ya. Ngimtip. Kani ka kam uchief minister na Meghalaya, uchief minister na Assam. Kin say kundu. Kadang ke regional committee na Assam. We have regional committee from Assam. We have regional committee from Meghalaya. Let them decide.